Today, we celebrate incredible women who have shaped our lives with love, strength, and boundless devotion. To all mothers, grandmothers, stepmothers, and mother figures out there, thank you for your unwavering support, your endless sacrifices, and your unconditional love. Your nurturing spirit and selfless acts don't go unnoticed. From the early mornings to the late nights, you pour your heart and soul into making our lives better, brighter, and full of warmth. You are the silent healers, the guiding lights, and the pillars of strength in our lives. As a team Promito Limited, we want to express our gratitude for all your hard work, dedication. In celebration of Mother's Day, we are offering a special promotion until May 17th. It is an opportunity to honor the mothers' figures in our lives and show appreciation for everything they do. Let us assist you in bringing your project to life. To all mothers around the world, we celebrate you today and every day. Thank you for being our rock, our inspiration, our greatest source of love and happiness. Happy Mother's Day. Please reach us at 0729 506 506 for a discount of the Mother's Day celebration. Thank you very much.